Assalamu alaikum teachers. Today I am going to tell you how you are going to create a class in MS Team and how you are going to add your co-teachers, means subject teacher and your student into that class. First of all, you have to log into Team software. You can access this Team software through web, but I will recommend that you should install this app in your laptop and then you have to access. Okay. Just write your CSN ID. Mine is at the rate of csn.edu.pk. Okay, then sign in. It will take a while. Sometime it won't work because of the internet connection. If your internet connection is slow, then it won't work properly. Enter your password and sign in. Mostly teacher complains that we are unable to log in or we are unable to join the meeting. Basically the problem is in the internet connection. Nowadays there is some problem. We have very low bandwidth of internet. It is a global issue, worldwide issue, because of the usage of the internet is increased. So when you are going to access this software, you should turn off all other devices or other computers that are using your internet connection. Okay, now this is our interface of Microsoft Teams. What we are going to do is there are different options here at the left hand side. You can see these. Now we'll click on Teams. Before that, class 6 onward teacher, they know how to create their calendar, their meeting in the calendar. Now we're going to create a team. We'll click on the Teams. Okay, now Teams, there are different options here. I've already created 2 teams here, but I'm going to tell you a new one from here. Now this option, join or create a team, when we click on this one, I have different options. Okay, there are a few teams that I have already joined here. That is 3 teams here. Now you can join with the help of a team code. If there is a team code, you can join with the help of that team code. Just enter the team code here and you will be joined. Okay, or you're going to create a new team, then you have to click here, click on this one, create new team. There are 4 options available here. First one is class. As we are going to create a class, so we'll be clicking on the class. Okay, now name of the class. Now there is a naming convention that as all the students, all the TCS branches have the same organizational ID, and they have the same repository of the email addresses. So whatever we create here in the teams, it will be created in that same central repository. So if I have created class 6, maybe somewhere else, as in Peshawar, they've also created class 6. So when someone click on class 6, there will be a number of class 6 available there. So how we are going to distinguish? We are going to distinguish with the help of our school code. Okay, now our school code is N039. This is our school code. Okay, and for Northern Region 039 is the school code dash, then class name, whatever the class is. For example, class 5T. Okay, description is optional. You want to add some description, otherwise you don't need it. It is not necessary one. Click on next one. When you click on next one, it will browse. It will take some time, a minute or so. And here we have add a student. Now you can add students here. Admin staff will provide you a list of students, their CSN IDs. Then you have to add those CSN IDs into your class. Okay, for example, I just add a student as a teacher. I'm going to add a teacher as a student to this class. Okay, teacher is, for example, class Miss Sidra. Level teacher. Okay, you can add multiple one or you can add one by one. Okay, next one, for example, I add Miss Wajiha. Yeah, English prep teacher. Okay. Now I added them as this student. Now if you have added someone that is not in your class and you got to know after adding here you have not proceeded further, then you clicking on this remove button, this cross button will also remove it from the class. Okay, be careful, you're not going to assign any other class student to your class, it will create some problems. Okay, then you want to add some teachers here, click on this teacher tab and add a teacher here. Okay, for example, Miss Rahat, she is Rahat Naveen, class 5 teacher. Okay, I just write their name, type their name. This repository, I told you, this repository contain all the email addresses of all the TCS staff. So just type that and all the names with the same, all the people with the same name will appear. Okay, I've just added one. Then Miss Rifat, I think she is also the teacher to class 4 and 5. I don't know her full name. I didn't find her. Like Miss Kulsum, teacher prep. Okay. When we are adding students, look at here. You can see some students' name also here. Ummi Kulsum, but now look at there. When you are adding the student, their roll number will also appear, so that you are not going to confuse between same name students in your class or in different classes. Okay, so be careful, you have to compare these roll number, that is, for example, here is 378376.tcs for this kid, that is Ummi Kulsum. Okay, so you should be very careful when you are adding student, because all the students data is available in this database. You have to check for these roll numbers, you must have to check these roll numbers when you are adding students. Okay, so I have added these two teachers. Now I will close this one. As I close this, it will automatically open my this class 5T. Okay, now this is the main area of the class where you are going to communicate with the class. This is called general channel. Okay, this channel, it contains post, files, class notebook, assignments, grades, wiki, and you can add different other tabs here. Okay, we'll discuss it later, but in this video I'm just going to tell you how you're going to add the students and the teachers. Now you have added students, you have added teachers. Now for the class teacher, they are also going to add channel for different classes. Channels, I am in the training I told you about the channels, that channels are same like segmentation of the class, which will contain specific discussion. For example, if all the teachers are discussing in this general area, so it will be very mess up for every student and teacher that what is going on in this area. Okay, for example, there is a class, maths class, and after that we have English class, after that we have science class, and then we have Urdu class. Next day, if the student or the teacher want to check what was going on that class, then it will be very, very difficult for them. So the solution is we are going to create channels. Okay, just click on these three dots. Now when you click this, just option is add channel, click on it. Channel name, for example, English. Okay, accessible to everyone in the team. There is option that you can create a channel with a specific student, but no, you are going to add all the students, because all the students will attend the English class and Urdu class and science class. Okay, automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. Okay, so they don't need to add the channel. When you once you have added the channel here, all the students, all the teacher will get this in their teams. Okay, and click on add button. Now adding channel. Now here we have another channel, English. Okay, again I'm going to add another one. add channel, and channel is, for example, Urdu. Automatically add everyone. Okay, now I have added Urdu. Then science, standard, accessible to everyone on the team. Add. Added. Okay, now next one is the last one, the maths. Okay, from 3 to 8 we're having these 4 classes. From 9 onward we have other subjects also. We also have online classes for other subjects like history, geography, Islamiyat, computer science. Okay, but till class 8 we have only these 4 subjects. Now this is how we are going to add channel. Now once you have added channel, now how to add a new tab. A new tab mean you want something to be shown on your channel, that a video, you want your student to see a YouTube video here. Okay, so just click on this add button. When you add, you can search here, or just let it browse. It will give you some option here. Already we have, look at our website. Now I want to add a YouTube. Okay, I want to add a YouTube. Added YouTube. Now it will ask me for the web address or the video you want to see. Now here we are going to search for the video link. Yes, or if you already have the video link, just paste it here, or you can search it. For example, the city school northern region. Just search it. It's same like searching in the YouTube. It's the YouTube extension here. Look at there, we have different videos. For example, I want to add this video. Okay, early education video. Now click. Now pause to the channel about this tab. Now when you edit this tab, so it will also post here in the channel. Just edit this tab, click OK. When you click OK, the specific video will be shown there. Now benefit of this tab is you don't need to open it in some browser like Google Chrome or Opera Mini or Mozilla or somewhere else. Whatever browser you are using, you don't need to go out of this software. You have to be in the Teams and you can just play this video. Okay. Now again, coming towards posts, look at here, post. It also posts that a video is added here. Now you can also post a video here. It's also very easy. Just let me again copy this link from here. For example, the same video, I just copied the link and I want to paste it. I don't want to create a tab here. Creating tab will be for such video that you want all the students to see there. Okay, instead you just post it here like this one. Just paste your link here. Okay, or you can also YouTube link here, remove it from here. Just YouTube, click on this YouTube or video button. Net is a bit slow, that's why it's not working properly, but okay, just I want to paste this link here. Here I go. Now this video is ready to post. You want to add something here, whatever you want to, you can also add your comments there and just click on this button. Now this video is posted here. Now you can remove the tab from here, just clicking on this arrow and just click on remove. It will remove this tab from here. Okay, it's very easy to remove a tab, because if you don't need that tab, you are going to remove it. For example, a video that you want to show it for week 1, for week 2 you want to remove it and you want to add another tab or another video, so you can add the other video and you can remove the previous one, or you can add 2, 3 or 4 video as much as you require there. Okay, and this one, the posting, when you post a video, it won't show here in the tab. it won't show here it will just post it. It will be shown here in the post tab. Okay, files, you want to upload a file. Now same here, this is the attachment. You want to add a file, attach a file here. Just click over here. Now where you want to upload from my computer, or you can upload it from MS Teams there. Okay, so you can upload from computer. Just click on the computer, or your recent documents, or Teams channels, or Drive one, whatever from where you want to upload. Just click on it and select the file and upload it. Okay. Now another thing is, this is appraise. You want to praise your student, just click here, and there are different options. You want to send, for example, a student is doing very well, or he has some good work, whatever you want to thank. There are few, how many, I think there are 12 type of, for example, awesome, he has done a very good works. Click here, any note there, and name of the student you want to praise. Okay, and click on for example, name is I think is, when you start typing, the student name will appear here. Click there. Now you want to see, for example, you want to good work, keep it up. Okay, let's see how it will appear. It will appear like this, from your teacher to the student, and this is the comment, and awesome work, and click on send. When you click on send, the specific praise will be sent to the student. Okay, so I'm working here in the maths tab, in the maths channel. Okay, now whatever you upload there, all the files you upload here, or you can directly upload files here in the file tab. It depends upon you. Whatever you post a file, it will also appear in this file tab. Okay, till now we don't have any. You want to add one, upload one. Okay, add cloud storage, but you want to download, just click on that specific resource and click on download. Okay, this is how we are going to add channel into our team or class. Another thing is, after creating the class, how I'm going to add new student. For example, a student just has a new admission case, or he was fee defaulter and he was not entered in the class. After that creation of class, how I'm going to enter a teacher or a student in the class. Just click on these three. Okay, then add member, just click there. Okay, the same window that appeared at the beginning, it also appear here. Whatever student name, Miss Asma, right? For example, I want to add student that Miss Asma as student here in the class, so I will add it like this and click on add button. And or you want to add a teacher, new teacher here, you can also add a new teacher from here. But be careful, don't in haste or hurry, don't assign a student to the teachers category, because he will have all the privileges of the teacher then. Okay, then close. How you're going to see how many students or teachers there, so click on manage team. Here you go. We have 3 teachers here, and we have 3 students here. Okay, now teacher will appear as owner and student will appear as member. Okay, now how you're going to remove a teacher. For example, a teacher is changed, or a teacher is changed for a specific class. So what you are going to do is, we cannot remove a teacher directly. Like here, I want to remove Miss Kulsum. She was for example not teaching 5T, so you cannot remove it. You can change its role. I make it member. Okay, so she will be appearing in this area. Now once she appeared in this area, or that person appear in this area, then you can simply click on this cross button and he or she will be removed from the class. Okay, or removing a student is very simple. Just click on the cross button and the student will be deleted. Okay, then here we have channels. We have different channels here. You can also add a channel here from here. Okay, what is the disclaimers? One thing to remember, that when you create a class, you have to add a person there in the class as a co-teacher. That is Mr. Irfan Akram. This is Mr. Irfan Akram @ csn.edu.pk. Okay, he is the exam coordinator and he should be added to every class that you have made. You should be clear with the class name code like N015. Here we have N039. Okay. Till now, this was it. This video was just to help you to how you are going to create students. How you are going to create a class, and how you are going to add student and teacher to that class, and how you are going to create channels in that specific class. Thank you very much.